The bedtime routine lets you set a schedule for your light to gradually fade out to help you fall asleep and apply that routine to multiple days of the week. Open the Globe Suite app and press the Smart Device tab to go into the device's controls. Then press the Routines tab at the bottom of the screen. From the Bedtime panel, press the slider in the bottom right corner to turn the feature on. Once on, days of the week selected and the time frame of the light fading out will appear in green. If you want to change the days and time frame, press the Edit button in the top right corner of the panel. The first step is to choose the days of the week the schedule will apply to. Each day is represented at the top with an initial. To select a day, press on it and it will turn green. To deselect the day, press on it again and it will turn black. The next step is to pick a time for the light to begin fading out. Scroll through the Start Fading Out At dial to set a start time. Next, select how long you want it to take for your light to gradually fade out. The last step is to adjust the color and brightness of the light once the routine is triggered. Use either the color temperature slider or the preset colors above the slider to select your preferred color temperature. Then use the brightness slider to adjust the brightness of the light once it's at its peak. Once the bedtime routine is set to your liking, press Save at the bottom of your screen. Now, your routine will appear in green under Bedtime. Press the back button in the top left corner to return to your home screen.